Hello guys, today the weather is fine and the sky is blue. Let me show you our workshop. You can see behind me there is an excavator in modification. This is a pontoon and a carriage. And the upper load, this is the excavator. Here is our Grand River. Okay, please follow me. And you can see this is a boom. Okay, I will change the camera. Okay. Now I'm in the second workshop. This workshop is going to be in using. And behind me you can see our Grand River, right? The undercarriage pontoon and the upper side, the excavator, they already combined and waiting for further testing. Behind me there is a mini-size amphibious excavator. Our factory uses it for contribute our workshop on this plant. So now I'm working back toward to the office. You can see behind me.